Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango.
Welcome to Mavenzo to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. TS Galaxy 1, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Ma-Africa.
Lochani Ma-Africa mndazana wosomagogo. I-team yami TS Galaxy ngidlalele kuhle khulu namhlanje bebangadlali tumtum, bebadlala ibholo eliphasi kuhle, and then uSibelebele our man of the match naye udlale kuhle khulu, and onkare khulu uAdnan today usilalele akathatha isikhathi ukuchange ukusubstitute akafani noKhodoso. Bawungena kancane kilezi zake 10 ngithi mara abosikomota bayobona benzeni nge-ideas of 3 May nange 10 March because of unabe akazi naye ukuthi bafike njani lapha.
Uyashakaza ukuthi bafike njani?
Abazi ukuthi bafike njani kuNetbank.
Bazithole sebaleni.
Bazithole sebaphakathi. Bayi-applyele mara abakhona ukuyiberegisa this thing. So ukuthi bayobona benzeni angazi nami. And then if unabe aqhubeka ngokufaka
kuNetbank.
Angikho kuNetbank but I'm a football lover. I'm a football lover. I'm supposed to comment. Ufike kanjani? Bathi unabe uze nenye ngoba akazazi ukuthi uyenze lapha.
Udlala iNetbank.
Mina ngishada ngamagame ayi2 phela. Ngikhwela ku number 3 usikukhulu yehla. No ngiya ku Kev mina. Mina ngiya kukhwelisa lele Netbank. Mina I'm looking forward to Kev.
Angakusukeli.
Akakhulumeke.
No, ukhulumela zami.
10 mina zabe in favor iPirate 10.
Ngithi ngihamba iPirate.
Yeah, ngiyi10 mina ngihamba iPirate.
Hayi why not the Chiefs?
Awusikomada. Lalela if unaba zokuqhubeka. If unaba
Khuluma mama.
If unabe azokuqhubeka.
Isikhukhune.
No.
Akakhulume ngonabi. If unabi
azokuqhubeka afake ngibani lo afake uMarti uadvertise niva ugijima kancane usaba nokuwa uadvertise niva uyamodila and ngiyamthanda if uzofaka uMarti noCross angazoyibona nge3 10 is good in 3 angazozibona yes
bazowina makangafaka uranga
phela lapha thank you
no
Bye bye.
Okay, bye mama.